Welcome to the secret garden of survival. You are in my camouflage food forest here, where we grow all of our food all organically, without chemicals, without fertilizer, without pesticide. And what I've got here is Asian pears. And this is kind of a cross almost between pears and apples. They do originate from Asia. They do come from China. And the ones that turn sort of this brownish color, I believe, are from China. And the other ones that turn more yellow are actually from Japan. So anyway, this thing is loaded with pears. And there's all kinds of them up there. A bit in the shadow here. But what I want to show you is an easy way to tell that they are ready is if you pick them up sideways and they come off easily, like that one. These guys are ready to be picked. So let me show you another one. I'll try to anyway. And if you essentially lift them up at an angle like that, they come right off. That means that they are ready to be picked and ripe. Now they're probably going to need to ripen inside, although Asian pears tend to ripen or be ripe on the tree. Almost all of your other pears, Kefir, Moonglow, the other pears that there are out there, you actually have to take them inside and then they soften up after they've been picked. Anyway, these are, like I said, almost kind of brown looking, almost looks like dirt spots or something like that on here. But that is an Asian pear. It's pretty hardy, and we got lots of them that we are going to be harvesting very soon. Learn more about how we manage our sustainable off-grid homestead and retreat. Take a look at our 150 plus videos on everything from growing our permaculture food forest to our year-round sustainable greenhouse to how we raise our sustainable livestock that lives off the land just like we do. And subscribe to this channel to be sure that you're alerted each time a new video is posted. You can also get my books on Amazon as well as Barnes & Noble, Nook, and Kindle.